How to make money with YouTube. Hey there fam. Are you ready to learn how to make money with YouTube? In today's video, we're going to dive into the nitty-gritty details of how you can turn your passion for creating videos into a profitable business. First things first, let's talk about the different ways you can make money on YouTube. One of the most popular ways is through ad revenue. So, the more views your videos get, the more money you make. And clicks your videos receive. So, the more views your videos get, the more money you make. However, it's important to note that the amount you earn per view can vary greatly depending on a variety of factors such as the length of the video, the location of the viewer, and the type of ad displayed. Another way to make money on YouTube is through sponsorships and brand deals. If you have a sizable following, companies may be interested in partnering with you to promote their products or services in your content. This can be a lucrative way to make money, but it's important to ensure that any brand partnerships align with your values and will be of interest to your audience. You can also make money on YouTube through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. This can be done through product placements in your videos or through linking to affiliate products in your video descriptions. Now that you know the different ways you can make money on YouTube, let's talk about some tips for growing your channel and increasing your earning potential. Firstly, it's important to create high-quality content that is not only interesting but also valuable to your audience. This will help you attract and retain viewers, and ultimately increase your chances of making money. Next, it's important to engage with your audience. Responding to comments and creating a sense of community can help foster loyalty among your viewers, which can lead to increased views, clicks, and ultimately more money in your pocket. Another way to grow your channel is through collaborations with other YouTubers. This can help expose your content to a larger audience and can lead to increased subscribers and views. Lastly, don't forget about the power of social media. Promo your YouTube content on other social media platforms to drive traffic to your channel and increase your reach. In conclusion, making money on YouTube requires hard work, dedication, and a bit of creativity. But with the right strategy and approach, turning your passion into a profitable business.